In this lesson, you are going to understand the concept of text mining. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain text mining, execute text processing tasks. So let's go ahead and understand text mining in detail. Let's first understand what text mining is. Text mining is the technique of exploring large amounts of unstructured text data and analyzing it in order to extract patterns from the text data. It is aided by software that can identify concepts, patterns, topics, keywords, and other attributes in the data. It utilizes computational techniques to extract and summarize the high-quality information from unstructured textual resources. Let's understand the flow of text mining. There are 5 techniques used in text mining system. Information extraction or text pre-processing. This is used to examine the unstructured text by searching out the important words and finding the relationships between them. Categorization or text transformation attribute generation. Categorization technique labels the text document under one or more categories. Classification of text data is done based on input-output examples with categorization. Clustering or attribute selection. Clustering method is used to group text documents that have similar content. Clusters are the partitions, and each cluster will have a number of documents with similar content. Clustering makes sure that no document will be omitted from the search, and it derives all the documents that have similar content. Visualization technique. The process of finding relevant information is simplified by visualization technique. This technique uses text flags to represent a group of documents or a single document, and compactness is indicated using colors. Visualization technique helps to display textual information in a more attractive way. Summarization or interpretation or evaluation. Summarization technique will help to reduce the length of the document and summarize the details of the documents. It makes the document easy to read for users and understand the content at the moment. Let's understand the significance of text mining. Document clustering. Document clustering is an important part of text mining. It has many applications in knowledge management and information retrieval. Clustering makes it easy to group similar documents into meaningful groups, such as in newspapers where sections are often grouped as business, sports, politics, and so on. Pattern identification. Text mining is the process of automatically searching large amount of text for text patterns and recognition of features. Features such as telephone numbers and email addresses can be extracted using pattern matches. Product insights. Text mining helps to extract large amounts of text, for example, customer reviews about the products. Mining consumer reviews can reveal insights like most loved feature, most hated feature, improvements required, and reviews of competitors' products. Security monitoring. Text mining helps in monitoring and extracting information from news articles and reports for national security purposes. Text mining makes sure to use all of your available information. It is a more effective and productive knowledge discovery that allows you to make better informed decisions, automate information-intensive processes, gather business-critical insights, and mitigate operational risks. Let's look at the applications of text mining. Speech recognition. Speech recognition is the recognition and translation of spoken language into text and vice versa. Speech often provides valuable information about the topics, subjects, and concepts of multimedia content. Information extraction from speech is less complicated, yet more accurate and precise than multimedia content. This fact motivates content-based speech analysis for multimedia data mining and retrieval, where audio and speech processing is a key enabling technology. Spam filtering. Spam detection is an important method in which textual information contained in an email is extracted and used for discrimination. Text mining is useful in automatic detection of spam emails based on the filtering content. Using text mining, an email service provider such as Gmail or Yahoo Mail checks the content of an email, and if some malicious text is found in the mail, then that email is marked as spam and sent to the spam folder. Sentiment analysis. It is done in order to determine if a given sentence expresses positive, neutral, or negative sentiments. Sentiment analysis is one of the most popular applications of text analytics. The primary aspect of sentiment analysis includes data analysis of the body of the text for understanding the opinion expressed by it and other key factors comprising modality and mood. Usually, the process of sentiment analysis works best on text that has a subjective context than on that with only an objective context. E-commerce personalization. Text mining is used to suggest products that fit into a user's profile. Text mining is increasingly being used by e-commerce retailers to learn more about the consumers, as it is the process of analyzing textual information in order to identify patterns and gain insights. E-commerce retailers can target specific individuals or segments with personalized offers and discounts to boost sales and increase customer loyalty by identifying customer purchase patterns and opinions on particular products. Let's look at Natural Language Toolkit library in detail. Natural Language Toolkit is a set of open-source Python models that are used to apply statistical natural language processing on human language data. Let's see how you can do environment setup of NLTK. Go to Windows Start and launch Python Interpreter from Anaconda prompt and enter the following commands. Enter command Python to check the version of Python installed on your system. Enter import NLTK to link you to the NLTK library available to download. Then enter nltk.download function that will open the NLTK download window. Check the download directory, select all packages, and click on Download. This will download NLTK onto your Python. Once you have downloaded the NLTK, you must check the working and functionality of it. In order to test the setup, enter the following command in Python idle. From nltk.corpus import brown.word parenthesis. The brown is an NLTK corpus that shows the systematic difference between different genres available. Words function will give you the list available words in the genre. The given output shows that we have successfully tested the NLTK installed on Python. Let's now understand how you can read a specific module from NLTK corpora. If you want to import an entire module from NLTK corpora, use asterisk symbol with that module name import command. Enter the command from nltk.book_import*. It will load all the items available in NLTK's book module. Now, in order to explore brown corpus, enter the command nltk.corpus_import_brown. This will import brown corpus on the Python. Enter brown.categories function to load the different genres available. Select a genre and assign that genre to a variable using the following syntax. Variable name is equal to brown.words. Categories is equal to genre name. Now, in order to see the available words inside the selected genre, just enter the defined variable name as a command.